Hello and welcome to my channel Physics for Students. My name is Shounak and in this month I am conducting a free webinar on Einstein's general theory of relativity. Yes, it is an absolutely free webinar on general relativity and you can participate very well. The question is that how do you participate? Point number one is that you need to send me an email to this email ID and mention your WhatsApp number, mention a little bit about yourself, and I will be sending you an immediate confirmation via email. Now when I telling about yourself, it is not that you have to be from a science or a mathematics background. I will be very happy if you're coming from a non-science background but with a general curiosity, what is relativity, what is Einstein's general relativity, and what is all about cosmology and black holes. So it is not that you have to be a science background, you can very well participate. As soon as you participate, I'll send you the confirmation. Then on Saturday morning, I will be sending you individually the Google Meet link via your email and your WhatsApp number. The entire webinar will be free of cost and it will be conducted via Google Meet so that you can log in from any part of the world, either via your phone, tablet. So you need to have a webcam, you need to have a headset, and you can listen and you can see the entire webinar. Now what are the topics that I'm covering in webinar? But it is a huge topic. I cannot say it in such a short video, but we will start with the basic foundations of Maxwell's equation, relativistic Maxwell's equations, what was the limitation of special relativity, why general relativity came in, what are the role of tensor, how Einstein formed the field equation, what is curvature of space-time, what are geodesics, what is differential geometry, role of differential geometry in general relativity, the curvature of space-time, the meaning of the curvature of space-time, black holes and cosmology, do time stop near black hole, and things like that. So it is quite an intensive webinar. There will be a lot of topics which will be covered, and that is why I start exactly at 8 p.m. because we have a huge journey to make. Now there are two important changes which are making, which was not there in the last webinar. Number one is that you are eligible for an absolutely free participation certificate from Physics for Students. Yes, the participant certificate is right on your screen. This is not the final draft. My web developer, she is making on that, but this is a general pro forma, an idea through which you can get. Now what I wanted to tell you is that what do I mean by active participation? I know that is a weekend, you might get down, you might get be with your family, you have your weekend plan, etc. But you see, the basic objective of this webinar is to teach you. Now I absolutely appreciate that if you leave early, but if you stay till the end, it will be beneficial for you because you will get to learn a lot of things, lot of discussions, productive discussions which happens at the end of the webinar, where subscribers ask, there are a good many professors who join, and they also 1.5 hours. At least this is a token of appreciation to honor your gesture, to honor your time and patience spending with me and listening to this video. This is one change. So yes, you are eligible for the certificate. The second thing is that one of my subscribers suggested me something which is called a problem with the law of conservation of energy. This law of conservation of energy actually made a problem with David Hilbert, Albert Einstein, and Felix Klein. 1915, 16, 17 and Göttingen, they found that although Einstein's general relativity has been published, but there is something which is violating the conservation of momentum, energy, etc. Who came in to support, or who came in to help and save the ship from drowning is a lady, a profound genius mathematician by the name of Emmy Noether. Now Noether actually came with the request of David Hilbert, and there is a fascinating history why Noether came in, how did she save Einstein's relativity, and how did she formulated the second theorem which actually helped to show that no, the conservation of energy is not violated, it is being supported locally. This is a new inclusion which was not there in my earlier two webinars, which I am going to make it. Right on your screen, I would like to show you some of the snapshots of the last webinar. The good number of people from different parts of the world, UK, US, Brazil, Pakistan, Oman, Muscat, even France, people joined in. And these are few of the feedback that people have shared. All of them have shared wonderful feedback. They are being very honest, and I'm very much obliged. I'm very much elated with this type of honest feedback. So that's all. With these two updates, you are very much eligible Please meet me on 30th of September starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and we will embark on a wonderful journey of including Einstein's general relativity and something which even Einstein could not solve, and what Noether solved. What was that? We will discuss. 30th of September starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Be there. The free webinar on general relativity is going to open up your eyes and you're really going to like it. Thank you very much.